Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is a comparison video of a couple of Forex expert advisors. So we have been trading with these expert advisors in the past or in the recent or in the current. Okay. So I have been creating these comparison videos since October because this is the month in October that we started creating the comparison of these expert advisors. Due to the US elections and the year-end things and all these things, like we were not trading with the expert advisors on real account, to be very frank, just on one or two accounts. And that was the time when we wanted to check that how our expert advisors that have performed well in the past, how they are performing in these current manipulative situations. So I would not have created this video because 3 months review was already there, but since this expert advisor, Fab expert advisor, that is Forex EU Blaster, we are completing 10 months today. So I just thought to create a video on this as well as with a couple of other expert advisors that are completing 4 months as a trial basis. We have been trading with those expert advisors. We have traded in the past, okay, but since this is that we are trading already from April 15 till today is 14th of February, and I wish you very happy Valentine's Day to each and everyone who has supported me so far. So the monthly has been around 9% and the drawdown has been around 44%. The drawdown is definitely a little higher, but yes, this has sustained in almost a year. I would not say a year, but this is almost 10 months, right? So 10 months in these 10 months, like this has I would say 2 times it happened that the drawdown was around 40%, a bit more than that. Otherwise, and in all the I would say 90% or 95%, the drawdown has not even reached 10%, right? So this is what about Fab expert advisor, that is Forex EU Blaster. And month wise, if we see, like this is what the month wise see in 2024, right? And in 2025, this is what the profitability or what the results are. And this is the Fab expert advisor Forex EU Blaster. Okay, this has been 10 months today, and I believe that this is the final video on this, but anyways, I will not focus on much. This is EACD SMC, and we are completing 4 months today. This is on a trial basis. We have this is an expert advisor which uses stop loss and on the recovery factor. However, when you see there is a stop loss, I mean, the profitability is not that much guaranteed, and this doesn't trade very frequently. It occasionally trades maybe 1 trade a day, or the maximum I have seen just 2 trades. Okay, and in that case, 1 trade has to be closed before opening the other trade. So 1 trade at a time, and stop loss with stop loss. Monthly is around 3.69. Drawdown has been around 7.38%. This is EACD SMC. Okay. And I will provide you all these links. In fact, I would be more comfortable if I provide you my FX book portfolio, where you can just go and can click on all of these, right? Because EFTP gold, I think I stopped the gold trading in January just because I was not having the VPS in spare. And okay, so you can see it over here, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, 4 hours ago. So it means that these are the very current ones, and January 16, right? In October means these are the recent one, or maybe these are the recent one, and some are of earlier, like April, January 24, right? So you can just see like which one that you can click on the recent ones or in the past and can check all the comparisons. This is Fab expert advisor. Okay, this is EACD SMC that we just talked about. This is EACD TH, and we started with 2000 on this, and the maximum in 4 months, October 14 till today is February 14, The maximum drawdown that went is around 16.89%, and the monthly is around 4.77%. Okay, and monthly wise, that's not much to see, right? In 2024, 2.41, 4.77, 4.31, and in if you see in January, 5.84 and 2.27. So October till December, that was a great time when we wanted to check that how our EA are performing in these current situations when like the world is heading to the US elections were about to happen. There are a lot of like these war situations were there, and the year-end manipulations, right? Okay, so anyways, this completed 4 months today, and this is what the result is. Now this is Don't Bother Expert Advisor. We have traded this with this Expert Advisor in a couple of times in the past as well. Okay, and even it has very good risk management thing. Like you can just choose a risk level: low risk, medium risk, high risk, significant risk, low or fixed lot size, or there are many other options. You need not to do any lot size or anything. It will take the lot size according to the risk level that you are choosing. Okay, and so we have chosen the significant risk level, and the monthly is around 2.76%, and the maximum drawdown is 3.08%. that happened in the last 4 months, from October 14 till February 14. This is what the statistics is. Okay, even the running trade is 1.16 right now. Okay, and well, nothing much to see. 2.50, 2.73, 2.02 as it is already showing, and in 2025 it's 2.95, and in February it's 1.13 only so far. But it's just the month is already there, like it's just half of the month, right? So half of month is still left. However, since we are completing 4 months already on a trial basis, because we have been trading with this on real account earlier, and we just wanted to take the opportunity to check these expert advisors in the extremely volatile situations and unpredictable things, and we are completing 4 months today, and this is what the result is. And the same thing with this expert advisor. This is hedge expert advisor. By default it works as a scalper and do very well, and of course the profitability is higher, and of course the risk as well, balanced risk, I would say. But in this situation we used our presets or set files which are comparatively low in the risk, and this is what the result is of 4 months, from October 14 till February 14, right? 4 months we are completing today, and this is the last video on this as well. The maximum drawdown went is 8%, and the monthly is around 4.8 to approximately 5%. This is what the result is for Hedge Expert with the latest set files, right? And month wise, if you see, $1.47, 5.89, 4.01 in 2024, and in January 5%, and February it has already made 3.35%, so that is impressive. Okay, so this is Hedge Expert Advisor, and now comes Quant Forex. Okay, so this expert advisor generally take very less trades actually. Okay, when the and very short profit as well, and we can trade with a very low equity with this expert advisor, and it has a drawdown controller as well, where we can just put like what kind of drawdown that you want the EA to stop all the trades. So you can choose that option, and the EA will manage all the things for you. However, it takes very less trades actually. Okay, so hardly you will see any kind of drawdown, just 1.35%. However, the return is also less, but yes, it is a very low risk expert advisor. If you see, like longs 100%, shorts 190%, right? So that's an impressive thing. If you see the history for any expert advisor, you can go to the history, right? You can go to the history and you can check all the trading over there. Okay, for any expert advisor. like right. So you will see like mostly are green, right? Most of them are green, just one or two you will see the red numbers, otherwise everything in green, right? Everything in green. Profitability is less, but yes, this is something that you can trade with. Even I started with like 800, right? Or but you can trade with I think like I have chosen 3 or 4 pairs, right? Even on 4 pairs it has hardly traded. There are just 50 trades, right? I think how many 58 trades in 4 months, so that's pretty less actually. Okay, and so one can start with 300, even 300 also for these 3 or 4 pairs. It doesn't so it doesn't mean that it is going to trade with 4 pairs together. It has very, very strict criteria to open trades, and it quickly opens and closes the trades with maybe with less profits but high precision. This is our Quant Forex. This is Hedge Expert Advisor. This is DB Don't Bother on significant risk level. This is EACD-TH. This is EACD-SMC, and this is Fab Expert Advisor. So we compared 6 expert advisors in this video. I skipped 1 or 2 expert advisors like Green Pips Profit Maker, that I think like this was the other that stopped in December 2nd because we did not have any spare VPS, and I think there was some more. Okay. Well, this was also stopped in December 11 because that was just because of lack of VPS space. Even we are running short of VPS right now, but we just thought that since we are completing 10 months with Fab and 4 months we are about to complete with all these comparison videos that we have been creating, so let's complete 4 months and then we will stop. Okay, so this is what the right, the comparison video is. Let me know which expert advisor do you think is suitable for you. Maybe if you are just looking for profits, then probably these might not help you, but if you're looking for something consistent, then probably you might have a look on any of them or all of them. Okay, and so if you have any questions, you can contact me on email or Telegram. I have mentioned you my email and Telegram both in the video description. You can contact me from there. Today is Valentine's Day again. You all my viewers, I wish you very, very well happy Valentine's Day, because just because of you that just because of you and we, this channel is existing right now. Okay, so thank you very much for everything, and for any queries feel free to contact me, or feel free to reach the my FX book portfolio. And if you have query about any of these, then please do mention that which link that you're talking about, or at least the name whatever is mentioned, so I understand that which EA or which link that you're talking about. Because in this case, like if you're talking about Hedge Expert, this link, then probably you can mention HGE, or either just provide me this link so I understand that which one that you're talking about. Okay, so there will be no confusion. I have provided you comparison, so it all depends on you, because every human being is different and their way of trading and risk appetite is different, so no two people can be compared together. So if you like any of them, would like to trade with any of them, or have any queries about any of them, or about any of these, or about any of the videos that I have created in my YouTube, about any expert advisor, any queries about any of them, feel free to contact me on email or Telegram, and I would be happy to answer you. Maybe on email it might take me some time, because I do not check my emails very frequently, but whenever I will check, and if I get your email, I will definitely respond. So that's pretty much it, guys. I wish you very happy life so far, and wish you great profits in Forex. Take care and stay happy with your family, and stay wonderful time with your family. Thank you very much.